So this is the project of home automation using IoT. In which this is the prototype model for home, in which this is the lamp, hanging lamp connected. This is the light, a TV and a fan. These four appliances will be controlled using IoT based Android application. In this application, these are the four switches for light, fan, TV and lamp. And here on the top side, the notification will be shown for the switching the devices. Here also a gas leakage sensor is attached, which is the MQ2 sensor, which detects the flammable gases. And to control the devices locally, here touch sensors are used. These four lights indicates the on-off status for all the four loads. Now this power supply for these four sensors will be switched using these four relays. These relays can switch AC or DC. So we can directly connect actual devices to this relay module on these wires. Again, to connect the system with the Wi-Fi, we require the Wi-Fi module. And here the ESP8266 board has inbuilt Wi-Fi with the external GPIO pins. On these GPIO pins we have connected these four sensors and these four relays. Also a buzzer is connected on one of the pins. When the gas leak is detected, the gas sensor generates the output signal, which is measured on the A0 pin of this node MCU board, and it will activate the buzzer. In programming, we have said that when the gas leak is detected, the buzzer will be activated and it will generate this sound. Also, the corresponding value or the alert will be shown on this Android application. Here the gas leak is detected. Also, when the switch is pressed, the devices will be turned on or off, or simultaneously from the application also user can control the devices. So here we have used the 10mm LEDs for demonstrating the loads, and a DC motor for fan. Now the 5V 2A adapter is used to power the system. Here we will turn on the system. After turning on, the system will generate the buzzer sound for half second. And here in the mobile, we have to connect the system with the Wi-Fi. So go to Wi-Fi setting. Here connect to the Omkar 3 Wi-Fi. The password will be ESP8266A in lowercase. Now go to application. Now the system is connected and we can turn on and off the lights. So here I can switch the lamp, the TV and the light also. Simultaneously I can control the devices using these touch sensors. Will be on and off. On also here on the screen, the devices on and off status will be shown. Again, on the detection of flammable gases, the system will generate a sound, and here the gas leak detected alert is shown on the application screen.